Hello friends, welcome to my channel. I just purchased this hydro mouse, this lawn care product for grass seed. It has grass seed and everything inside. So I'm going to do a real test here. If you see here, I prepared this place like totally no grass, little bit dead grass left. I was so tired to clean it up, but I tried as much as I can. And now I am going to apply this one. And I saw it like in TV and Facebook and everywhere, like they're saying this will grow grass anywhere, doesn't matter. From this it will grow grass in everywhere. So I'm gonna do a real test, and I will put as much water as like every day, 3 times water. Do that. And this is very prepared, and right now the temperature is very good here in Virginia. So like it will be not too hot, so it will good temperature right now. So we'll see how it looks like after 15 days. So this is my current situation, and this was the things. And let's see first what's coming inside the box. So friends, let's see what is coming inside. I received the product like this, exactly like this, from Amazon. So I am opening this one and want to see. There is seed coating formula, and there is seed. Plus they are giving instruction. So this 3 is coming. So please go through the instruction. So all these things come together. There is mixing of seed, Bermuda, and I think there is another one. Seed, they mixed it, and this coating formula. So friends, this is the instruction. So I'm going to prepare this one first. So based on your area and like where you're gonna apply, you need to mix these two in the pot, because once you start adding the hose pipe, the water will go inside, so you need to utilize everything. So make sure you plan it accordingly. And then they're saying prepare, so remove all the dead grasses. So I did as much as I can, and I rack it already. So now I have my time is to apply it. I'm gonna use the whole thing, because I have few other place where I'm going to apply this one. So friends, I'm going to put all the seeds. And then all the coating. So all the mixing is done. Now I'll be putting it on. Now I'm going to connect to the hose pipe, but before that, as they mentioned when I go through the instruction, they are saying first you turn it on to light seed, and once this one is filled 3/4, then you apply heavy seed or light seed based on your water pressure. So I'll be using light seed, and I'll see. So I just connected it to the hose pipe. I turned it on. So I'm gonna put it for light seed right now, and then start applying it. And this side I have to apply it for 4 times, like from almost 4 feet above the ground. So I'm gonna do that. Let's do it. So friends, I just applied some water first, and it is full of water now. Now I'm gonna use the light seed and apply it. So friends, I just applied this one, so I'm going to water it every day 3 times, and I will show you what's the growth. Like, I will take photos or videos every 2 days, and we'll let you know actually what the result comes. This is the area. Day 4. Still I don't see any grass started growing or anything. It's almost same. Day 7. Still no improvement, no grass coming up. So I am not sure how will it be. It doesn't seems to me good. So friends, this is day 12. This is the condition. If you can see, nothing grown. Just little bit grass I am seeing. There are few, 1, 2 or more, not too much. Very bad situation. So I don't recommend this product. I don't think it's a good product to buy or not buy, because you can see my situation, like 12 days, and it was continuously raining here in Virginia. So but still nothing grows. So I don't think it is good for this big place. So before you buy, please consider all this situation. I'm a totally general person who is taking care of my lawn. So I am not an expert, and I think this product is not for expert. This product is for general people. So like, I followed the instruction. It was totally wet, completely wet, because it was continuously raining here, and so it didn't wash away because it's not heavy rain. It was drizzling all the time last almost 8-9 days. So still it didn't work. So I won't recommend this product. So I think it's better I put a grass sod on top of this. That would be good. So maybe I will be going to do that. So that's all about this video. I hope it's gonna help you to make your decision while purchasing this product or not. So that's all, and have a good time. If you like this video, Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.